Hi, I'm Dr. Al Bodzin. I'm in the Teaching Learning Technology program in the College of Education, and I'm also a faculty member in the Lehigh Environmental Initiative here at Lehigh University. Our group does research in immersive learning environments. We're really a design, development, implementation hub, doing both desktop VR and headset VR. You know, one of the things that got us into this work was we had a project at an urban high school where kids were just totally unengaged in actually doing some learning inside, and I asked the students, what do you think about this idea if we developed some learning games and did it inside a headset where there might be some more minimal distractions in the classroom from your cell phones and other things that are happening all the time. And the students said, yeah, hey, I'd like to try that out. And so what we ended up doing was we developed a prototype game about our watershed in the city that the students lived in. And they were just highly engaged. We had about 70 students, and they hit a flow state. Flow state's basically a state when you're so engaged in something, like if you're a runner or you do sports or you're a gamer, that time just passes right by and you don't realize you've actually been in a headset for 15, 20 minutes. It feels like it's only like 2 minutes. And the students had wonderful perceptions that they'd love to learn more with VR in schools. And so that's what stirred us on. So we've been doing a lot of work now with informal STEM partners in the Lehigh Valley watershed area. And we've developed some virtual field trips with the Lehigh Gap Nature Center. It's called the Lehigh Gap Story. And we have Watershed Explorers, which you explore 9 locations with 4 avatars. And you're basically challenged by the Delaware and Lehigh National Historical Corridor, National Canal Museum, to recommend 3 locations to promote tourism in the watershed. And so you take a virtual tour down the river with our avatar guides, learn about locations that are about the history, our unique history here in the watershed, and the environmental issues and impacts that have had over the years.